My name is Siti Alia binti Afani. Today we diving into a fascinating in computer. Can you guess what? 1 and 2. Can you get the idea? We're gonna learn about 1's complement and 2 complement. I know it sounds bit technical, but don't worry. I'm gonna teach you an easy way and interesting way. So, what exactly 1 complement? 1 complement is quite easy. To get 1 complement of binary, 0 become 1 and 1 become 0. If you don't understand yet, so let's look the video. Zaza, have you gone through the 1's complement yet?
Oh, a little. I can take it. That's right.
Yeah, you flip the 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Let's get it slowly and start from the bottom. Like you explain to someone never seen binary before.
So, we're talking about the wish?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's say we have this number in binary, but what is number in decimal?
Wait, let me count. That's 5.
Yeah, that's right. So if we want the 1's complement, we need to flip it. Can you flip it?
Sure. 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0.
Yeah, that's right. This number in decimal, what is it?
Negative 5.
Yeah, that's right. You master in this topic.
Yes, I mastered in 1 complement.
Now we upgrade the challenge. When you solve this question, sure, you need to solve these 3 questions first in 2 minutes. Can you?
I accept the challenge.
Now we count. Now I count 1, 2, 3, and you can start now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now I need to check your answer.
Sure.
Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 3 question you answer is correct. Yay! Now we continue with last 3 question. Can you solve it in 1 minute?
Of course.
Okay, we start now. Today we're gonna explore the advantage and disadvantage 1's complement. Let's discuss the advantage. Disadvantage: one of benefit of 1's complement in binary representation is simplicity. To represent negative number of binary is simply flip all the ticks its corresponding positive number. Another advantage is it has provided a clear visual representation negative number. This can be helpful for understanding arithmetic operation for the beginner. Okay, we continue with this advantage one's complement. One's complement has two representation of 0 is positive 0 and negative 0. This can be lead of confusion of calculation and both form must be accounted in operation arithmetic. Additionally, one's complement can be result in overflow problem. The example, if you add two negative number and exit limit what can be represent, the result may be not be correct, and you need to handle any carry bits and avoid the error. Okay, next we're gonna learn about two complement. Two complement, we need to start with one complement and then you need to add one. So let's see through the scenario.
Alright Alia, one complement makes sense. I heard two complement go to now. What the difference?
You're right. It is the standard for representing negative integer today. Wanna know why? Let's take the basic number of binary. The number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. In decimal is 5, but we want to represent the negative 5 use two complement. Step first is we need to convert into the ones complement. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. To become the two complement, we need to add 1. We add 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is the final answer for two complements. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In negative 5 in decimal. That's it.
Wow, so like one complement plus one.
Exactly. That's what is called two complement. Now we do the exercise.
Yeah, I will solve two questions.
Start now. This question. Let's read. What is the decimal positive value of the two complement number 111000011 in binary? First step, we copy this question. 111000011. This is two complement. Okay. Second step, we need to minus 1. Minus 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is second step. Okay. Third step is we need to convert to ones complement. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This is the answer, but this is not the answer yet. We need to convert to decimal. Decimal. This is the answer is 29 in decimal. That is the answer. This is the final answer, 29 in decimal. From the question early, let's solve this question. this way into original and to the two complement. That's all for today. Thank you Zaza for joining me to learning one's complement and two complements.
Welcome, I appreciate it.
So let's go home. Okay, let's discuss about the advantage and disadvantage to complement. The advantage to complement, one primary benefit to complement allow the easy representation for both positive and negative number in same binary. This means 1, 0 representation only. Unlike the one's complement have positive 0 and negative 0. Additionally, two complement has straightforward method for finding negative of number. You simply take the one's complement and add 1, which is easy and quick process. Now, let's discuss about disadvantage. One of limitation of two complements can be lead overflow in calculation. For example, if you add two large positive and exceed maximum representable value, the result might be wrapped around and give a negative number, which is problematic. Another downside is the range of the representable is slightly uneven. For example, in 8-bit system, you can represent from negative 128 to positive 127. This means there is one extra negative number than positive, which can be inconvenient in some application. In summary, one's complement and two complements are both method is representing signed integer in binary. One's complement is simpler for negation but has drawbacks such as multiple representation of 0 and complication of arithmetic operation. In contrast, two complement resolve this issue with one single 0 representation and more straightforward handling, make it the choice standard in contemporary digital system. Overall, two complement generally more effective and used in competition. I hope you understand about one's complement and two complements in easier way and more understanding. I hope you can do it. Fighting! Thank you for watching.